Welcome! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to find all your saved videos on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you've been storing videos in your saved messages but aren't sure how to access them quickly, don't worry. This process is very simple and straightforward. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it opens, you'll see the familiar layout with your chats listed on the left side of the screen. At the top of that list, there's a search bar. This is where you'll type in saved messages. Telegram will instantly show you the special chat dedicated to your saved content. Now, click on the saved messages chat. This space works just like any other chat, except it's only visible to you. It's designed to store all your personal notes, links, photos, files, and of course, videos. Everything you forward or upload to yourself gets stored here. Once you're inside, the next step is to access only the videos. To do this, move to the top part of the chat window and click directly on the name of the chat that says Saved Messages. This will open an overview page with different categories of media. You'll see sections like Media, Files, Music, and more. From here, select the Videos section. This is where Telegram neatly organizes every video you've ever saved. Now you don't have to scroll endlessly through your saved chat to locate a clip. You can just head straight to this collection and watch, download, or manage them as you like. This feature is especially useful if you've saved a lot of different types of content, because everything is grouped separately. Instead of getting lost in your saved messages, your videos are just one click away, all organized and ready whenever you need them. And that's it. It's as simple as that. By opening your saved messages, clicking the chat name, and heading to the Videos tab, you have all your saved videos right in one place. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a try right now and see how much easier it is to keep track of your saved media on Telegram's PC app.